Hi, are you new?
Yeah. I'm Rod. I'm so excited to start work. And on a day when you guys are having a party.
Well, I'm Sarah. Did you graduate from college?
Of course I did. That's a silly question.
No, really it isn't. The guy who runs this department, he never graduated from college.
How can that be? That makes no sense. Hey, what is that basket over there for? Are you collecting our keys in case we've had too much fruit punch?
That? Oh no. That's to collect your hopes and dreams. By stepping in that door, you just lost them.
What? God, what makes this place so bad?
Do you see that middle-aged, fat, really gross guy dancing on that desk over there?
Yes. That is really disgusting.
Well, this is all normal here.
Am I working in a gay bar or something?
No, but that's where he came from. He's going to like you. You're young, that's how he likes them. Happy holidays.